What are 3 best ways to make money with NFTs? What's up, you guys? I hope you're crushing it today. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know below in the comments what kind of NFTs are you interested in, or what do you think of NFTs in general. So the first way is to trade NFTs, and it's basically like, imagine if you heard about Bored Ape Yacht, right? Imagine if you bought it when the floor price was like $200, right? Because the floor price now is over $240,000, right? So imagine if you bought it back then and sold it now, how much money would you make, right? And you need to be checking out these projects. There are constantly new projects being created, and what you want to look for is projects with underlying value, the utility of those NFTs. Because if there is no utility, there can be like a short-term hype, but then it can go to zero, right? So I would focus on projects with utility, and you can check this. You can find these projects in the Twitter. There are active communities that you can follow, and people who know what they are talking about. You can check out my Twitter and follow people I follow, and that's how you can get started on your Twitter account if you don't have anything about NFTs in your feed, right? And then the second way is through NFT art. Like you can create your own NFTs, right? So especially if you are an artist, this is great, because before it used to be harder, like people could steal your art, but now it is encoded in a blockchain, right? So it's unique, and people have this blockchain ownership of that NFT. So that's another way how you can make money with NFTs. And the third one is NFT gaming, right? Like imagine if you played games like World of Warcraft, for example. You collect some cool sword or chest or something in the game, and then you can sell it, right? So if you purchase NFT, you can have access to a game where you can collect things that you can later sell, right? Or you can sell that NFT for the access to that game. Like the options, the possibilities are limitless, but you want to get into this space as soon as possible, because this is going to change the world entirely in so many ways. Like this crypto and the NFTs are like internet boom in 2000. So let me know below in the comments how will you earn through NFTs, and I would love to know. If you have also some questions, I would love to help you, okay? And don't forget to like the video if you got value from it, and subscribe to the channel so I can show you other ways so you can make more money, so you can escape your 9-to-5 job and live anywhere, okay? And now you can watch this next video I prepared for you. You are gonna love it, I promise. I'll see you on the next video.